we just destroyed those pizzas, guys. They were absolutely magnificent.
Sorry in advance if somebody watching this video hungry. You better pause it and go eat something and come back to the video.
All right, do a pepperoni, or actually do a light cheese, and I'm gonna do a pepperoni because Colton wants a light cheese. We can eat off of that. Colton's already eaten his first pizza. He's ready for a second.
Okay.
My turn. I'm gonna go put this dough back in the fridge. These other two. Okay. We don't have any of the refrigeration going on in here. Just the oven. It's warm.
Such a nice dough. It feels weird a little bit because it's not coming straight from the fridge. It was standing outside a little bit, and now it's all ready to be stretched and like more jelly. Actually, I'm afraid of this. I feel like I'm reaping it almost.
If it's over mixed, but it's a little bit tougher, but it's working wonderful. It tastes fantastic.
Maybe it's all the stress with driving it here and stuff.
No, I guess it's not that bad. Wow, we have done so much in this truck to get to this point.
Unbelievable.
The fact that the back door had to be cut off, and we had to put all that back together. We had to work around the oven being in here. You know, it's not like we had the oven out, or we were able to do all this with, you know, a bunch of room in here. We've been working around the oven the whole time. Pick up the pace on this one. We already got 20-minute worth of video just on making pizzas. We're going to give you guys 30 minutes of pizza love.
Well, after that we're going to make them the short videos.
That's plenty of cheese too for
That's it, yeah, you said a little bit. So we're going to stretch it. Well, next video is going to be shorter. It's our almost semi-grand opening. It's right before the grand opening.
I'll do the pepperoni, you just do cheese. And we got 2 more dough balls, you can do whatever with them.
I'm going to make maybe pepperoni for Tiff.
Definitely need a bigger cutting board, a bit wider board. Go ahead and put the wood on first.
What?
This guy's having issues today.
It's stuck.
Here, you take that. Watch your pizza. I'm gonna start on this pepperoni.
You barely can see the flour on this bright board.
Well, there's plenty of light in here just with these 2 lights. We still got a bunch more to go.
Yeah.
You don't know how bright it's going to be, I guess, till it's dark out, and then you can really get to see what's going on.
Okay, I'm gonna hook us up.
Put another piece of wood in there too for me, would you? Hey, little buddy. Ready for another pizza?
Yeah, I just ate my other one so fast.
That's awesome. Let's just use it all. We'll make margaritas for the next couple.
Go tomato and apple.
How's it looking?
Good, good. Just a white bottom a little bit, but I think it's good. Can you flip it, see if it's good?
See, our signature move, burning an edge. It's for cold, it doesn't. That's
We're
good.
good?
Yeah. Yeah, your bottom's cooked. You just. Another spectacular pizza, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get it in the light. Oh yeah, the bottom's perfect. Look at that. Look at the bottom. Absolutely magnificent.
Ooh.
But it's still soft inside. That crisp
Soft
on the
and
out.
crunchy.
Yeah, it's just like a shell, like an egg shell. Alright. Go ahead and
Bring it in.
yeah. Here's the knife, the cutter. And then bring back a big tray too if there's an extra big tray in there. Gotta get used to this small open. We did it. We did it. Oh yeah, beautiful. This oven is beautiful. It's cooking some really nice pizzas. That you get a lot of nice heat and even crust with the smaller oven like this. I mean, it's rolling over the dome perfect. Real cold bottom. I know how to fix that. Keep it on the move.
Maybe this way all the restaurants, the we see in Italy with the little ovens like this. They just keep rolling everything.
Now we got plenty of color. How's your cheese pizza?
I didn't eat it yet because it's too hot.
Too hot.
I couldn't cook it for like 5 minutes.
It's gonna get colder. Oh yeah.
Just about where I want. Oh yeah.
Stop it. Like, I don't know why I'm getting hungry.
This just
By just smelling
this
this.
just happened, ladies and gentlemen.
I don't know why I'm getting hungry and I just eat a pizza. It just smells so good.
I need a picture of this. All right, guys, there it is. Want to take an underneath look? Beautiful. I mean, come on. We did it, guys. Built another truck. We still got a few little odds and ends to go, but man.
La Floritza's not grand opening, but
Dreams come true right here.
test drive, happy customers.
All right, guys.
Have a great
we'll
night.
see you in a minute. All right, guys. We got 2 more dough balls left. Oh my God! Let me tell you what. These pizzas, that pepperoni pizza was fire. I didn't get to have the cheese because Colton's hoarding it to himself. Art had a piece, but unbelievable. So we got 2 more dough balls. We're gonna make. We got just enough cheese to make a couple of light margaritas, and we won't bore you with the details here because you saw us make the last 4 or 5, and we're gonna go ahead and make these 2, and I'll bring you back when they're done. All right, guys. Here it is. Final little wrap up here. Yeah, shut the open sign off. We just busted out.
Piece of pizza for
Wow, look at that piece. Look at that crust. Let me see, turn it sideways. Look at that dough structure. Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome, Dada.
My little buddy. Margarita. So how many did we just make? We just six pizzas? 7? 7 pizzas. Oven performed absolutely flawless. I think conserves wood pretty well. I don't think it's going to be a huge wood consumer. But man, absolutely gorgeous pizzas out of that thing. Flour doughs tasted wonderful. Whew, what a sense of accomplishment. I know we still got a few more nights in here, but
Look at this piece.
you got another piece? Rascal.
This man's for
I love you, buddy.
Dada.
All right, thanks, man.
Both of them are for
Thank you. Oh,
Thanks,
for
little
me?
buddy.
No, it's for Dada.
For Dada. Oh,
Both of them are.
not for me.
So we just wanted to wrap it up and say thanks for watching. I'm going to separate these videos of us making pizza from our videos today of messing around in the truck. Like and subscribe.
Hit this like button or
Yeah, costs you nothing.
Cost you nothing. 2 seconds. Pew.
We set our inspection date, our open date for May 1st, so something's gonna happen here shortly, guys. We're man, look at that whole sink setup, just looks clean. The PVC pipes for legs, I'm I'm digging it. It came out good.
Eric was climbing on
There's
this.
another piece of wood.
Oh yeah, and it held up.
Eric was climbing on the sink, and those
Yeah,
legs
another
held up.
piece
Oh, yeah.
You know it's safe.
Hey, Dada, I
That's
got
for
another
me?
piece.
Thanks, buddy.
Dada.
3 for Dada?
Yeah.
All right, guys, like and subscribe. We're gonna continue on. We got a little bit more to do, but we'll bring you guys back when we do
Any
that.
question down below? Eric can give you good answers.
Yep.
I can give you newbie answers, how I experience
Yeah.
everything.
Well, pretty soon we're gonna give you a full recap on everything that went down in here. Just a
Probably
video.
sit down and
Yeah,
drink
something.
Pepsis.
It's something. All right, guys, have a wonderful night. We've been at it all day. Be back in the truck tomorrow working.
Another piece of
See you guys.